Wake up, you grab your phone, and see a new notification. Congratulations, you've just earned $100. Your bank account is credited directly. Your phone pings again shortly after that. Congratulations, you just earned another $100. Your PayPal account will be credited with this amount automatically. I have found this to be really helpful, as have many others who know the secret and receive daily, or hourly, notifications like these. The video below will change your perspective on making money online forever, and you may be one of us today. That's never been seen before. The 4 apps I'll be reviewing will pay you automatically, and they'll take care of any work you need to do. Actually, it's not entirely zero work, because you still have to download the app and log in every single day if you want to receive your payout. Anyway, they're all 100% free, no credit card is needed, and no investment is required. In addition to the United States, they also work in the United Kingdom, Australia, Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, and Vietnam. Please watch the entire video to learn all of these apps, because the more you use, the more money you're going to make. Welcome to the simplest way to earn money online. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. It would be helpful if you gave this video a big thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video. Let's now look at the video. Now the first app that I will show you today is where you can earn a lot of money by simply downloading them for free on your phone, which is Instagc.com. Now you can go on to Instagc.com. And once again, this is working on Android phones. And this is working on iOS devices. And in fact, I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of devices you are using. Do you use an Android phone or are you using an iPhone? But basically when you go onto the Facebook page of Instagc.com. And as you can see here, that's the name. And that's the logo right now on their Facebook page. They're going to show you all of the payment proof and they're super transparent about it. As you can see here, there are a lot of people redeeming PayPal payments. Now right here, you can see the actual payment proof from a couple of months ago. Right here when they click on the next button. You can see here another person redeemed PayPal money, and right here another payment direct deposit straight into their bank account. Now if you don't have a PayPal account or bank account, you can also redeem your money in free Amazon gift cards. You can see here they redeemed their gift card. And I can just go on and show you all the payment proof. Because there are hundreds and 1,000s of them. You can of course check it out yourself right there on their Facebook page. Now let's go back to the app. And as you can see here, you can earn points for things that you already do online. For example, you can complete some simple surveys, just clicking on a few buttons, and you can get paid. Why not? And if you have 10 or 20 minutes a day, you can simply search on the web, you can browse on different websites, and search on Google. And you will get paid for every single minute that you do. And more importantly, I prefer this method, which is watching videos. This is one of my favorites, because what you can do is that you can simply click on the play button, and let the video run in the background. And you can open up multiple tabs to watch a lot of videos at the same time. And on top of that, when you're watching the videos, you can go on to do some surveys or searching on the web. And that's how you can build multiple streams of income from just one single app. No, if you want to download and install this app, all you got to do is you can join Instagc.com using Facebook, Twitter, or Google or otherwise. You can just simply put in your username, your password, and email address and click on this button to sign up and you can instantly get 10 points for free as well. Now moving on to the second app. There is App Karma. And you can check out their website at appkarma.io. Now you can earn awards by playing with this app. And this is 100% free, you don't need to invest any money. And the best thing about this is that they are working on both iOS and Android devices. Now once you earn the points on this app, you can redeem them on PayPal or different top brand gift cards. So all you got to do is just click on this button to grab App Karma right on your phone. And once you install this app, you can instantly get 300 points for free and every 100 points are equals to $1, which means they're gonna give you away from $3 for free without doing anything. Now if you want to multiply your earnings and make more money on App Karma, you can also refer other people to this app. You can see here you can simply share your invite link or your referral code, and you can earn 30% of what your referrals earn. Now, say for example, if you refer to one person, now, let's say if they make $100, you can earn $30 for free without doing anything. And that's crazy. How about let me do something really special? I could get a lot of referrals, literally hundreds of them for free in one single day. And what I can do is that I can help you to promote your referral link. I can help you to promote your referral code and help you get hundreds of referrals. But of course, I can't be doing that for other people, because there are hundreds of people who are watching this video right now. So we'll probably select about 2 to 3 people. And you must subscribe to my channel, you must like this video, share this video and leave a comment down below. And let me know if you have done all the steps. And I will randomly select about 2 to 3 people and help you to get a lot of referrals and sending you free money. And last but not the least, the reason why this app is so powerful, where you can just install them for free, and you can earn passive income without doing anything is because you can simply log in. You can see here, you can earn daily rewards by simply logging in into this app. And once you log in, they're gonna give you extra money, extra bonuses for simply checking in on this app. And this is crazy. For those of you guys, if you want passive income without doing anything, and on top of that every single time you complete certain achievements, or once you finish certain tasks, they're gonna give you different badges. And all of these badges will help you to level up. As you can see here, you can increase your reward level every single time you earn all of these badges, and that's going to give you an extra 12.5% of the bonus. And you can multiply your earnings. For example, if you are making $100, you can go to turn your $100 into $125 by just simply using these badges. And that's insane. So make sure to check out all of these achievement badges and get as much as possible to increase your earnings. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Moving on to the third app that I want to show you today, which is Cashkick. You can simply go to cashkick.com. And once again, on this website, they are not using any point system to pay you cold hard cash. So basically, cash is their greatest reward. They'll deposit all the cash into your account, they can do bank transfers, and they can do PayPal money. You can see here get started right now and get paid directly into your PayPal account. So once again, on this website, you can answer different surveys, you can find different great deals, you can watch videos, you can surf the web. And this is very similar to Instagc. But they're going to pay you even more money compared to Instagc. And once again, I want you to focus on watching videos because that's going to pay you the most amount of money. And if you want a more in-depth video, I'll show you exactly how you can make money on cashkick.com. I have other separate videos that show you everything step by step. You can check out my other videos. Anyways, if you want to sign up for a free, all you got to do is just put in your email address and your password and click on this button to get started right now. Now moving on to app number 4, the name is SuperPaid. Now you can go onto their website, SuperPayMe. You can make money online with free paid surveys. And they're fast with payment. Within 24 hours, you can receive your money, and they have a really low cash out threshold. You can work from home, and you can do as much or as little as you want. And once you join today for free, you can instantly get 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. And at a time when I'm recording this video, they already pay out over $3 million to other members worldwide right on this app. And once again, the concept here is really simple. You can join today for free and instantly receive 20 cents bonus when you join. And you can take part in different surveys and complete different offers. And once again, you can get paid and cash out your earnings in many different payment options. For example, PayPal, money, gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and many other payment options. Check this out. They're super transparent about all their payment proof. You can see whom they have paid right on here. And you can see all of the members' names, all the user names, and all the dates when they cash out their earnings. And it will show you all the payment types. You can see here most of them and they cash out using PayPal. And you can see the earnings $3, $35, $14, $1 again and again. And there are so many people, literally hundreds of them. And you can see the pages that this is just one page. And they have 1,000 more pages of real payment proof that people are cashing out real money right here on this website. So all you got to do is just click on this button. You can see here, join free today. Just click on that. And that's going to bring you to this page where you can register for free. Now just fill in your details right here and your mailing address. And once again, They're accepting people from different countries in the world, and they're accepting everyone worldwide. So right now you can just enter your payment details right here so that you can get paid once you complete all of the tasks. And you can just read onto the terms and conditions and agree to that. Click on this, I am not a robot, and create a free account. So once again, basically these are all the apps that show you today where you can install for free on your mobile phone and earn a passive income again and again. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.